1. Restart your device. The first thing you should do is restart your device. Rebooting the system from time to time is recommended and necessary whenever apps, or the system itself, are plagued by bugs and errors. 2. Close all other apps. Another thing you can do is close all other background apps. Just swipe from the bottom, or tap Recents at the bottom, to bring to the Recent Apps screen and tap Close All. 3. Boot into safe mode. When errors like this occur, we usually suspect it has something to do with a system bug or with a rogue app that hijacks the camera while working in the background. 4. Reinstall the affected app. The next step we can recommend is reinstalling the affected app. Whether that's an app that has some camera features or the default camera app, there's a way to reset it. You can't reinstall built-in essential apps like camera, but you can uninstall its updates.